Hello guys, this video is about how to perform a factory reset on a VIZIO Smart TV. So a factory reset is a process that restores a device to its original settings. This can be useful if your TV is experiencing problems or if you want to sell or give it away. There are different ways of performing a factory reset on the TV. The first one we'll deal with is performing these tasks using the remote control, and the second one would be performing a factory reset on the VIZIO TV without the remote control. So to perform a factory reset using the remote control, first you have to turn on your VIZIO TV. You have to turn on the VIZIO TV, and then you press the menu button on the remote control. Next, you use the arrow buttons to select the system. The next thing will be to press the OK button, and then you can use the arrow buttons to select the reset and admin option. The next step would be to press the OK button and then use the arrow buttons to select the restore TV to factory defaults. If you have a parental control pin, you can enter it in the prompted box, and then you would press the OK button to select, and then the TV will ask you to confirm that you want to reset it to the factory defaults. So you have to press OK to confirm this. The TV will turn off and then back on again. Okay, it will not go through the initial setup process. So in second one, how to perform this action without the remote control is very easy. It's similar, but it's tricky. So first you turn on your TV. You will be able to turn on your TV, and then press and hold the volume down and input buttons on the back of the TV for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you will see a message on the TV screen saying resetting TV. What will you do? You continue holding the buttons until the TV turns off and then back again. The TV will go through the initial setup process. I want you to know that performing this process, we delete all your settings and data on the TV. So this includes your Wi-Fi network settings, the channel settings, the apps that you already installed. So you have to give it away. So therefore, you need to re-enter all of this information after the reset is complete. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.